DoubleCheck. Let's keep the DoubleCheck. And what are we doing in DoubleCheck?
So this past 10 days was an amazing experience for us.
Like either news or some personal stuff.
How do you want to contribute in this project?
I really like it because in the beginning, when I got to know about the project tagline, that we need to tackle about the misinformation and the disinformation, how we're gonna cross-verify these things.
Go.
The topic for today is the psychology of misinformation.
I arrived here, I know to so many people who is so kind, who is so beautiful, and they have really big heart, and they made me so happy.
Στο πρόγραμμα DoubleCheck προσπαθούμε να μάθουμε αν η παραπληροφόρηση ισχύει και τι καλύτερο από το να έρθεις να ελέγξεις την πηγή κατευθείαν στο χώρο του εγκλήματος.
Gain a lot of information from other people, a lot of cultures, traditions.
In the beginning, you will be explaining to them that it's true. This is happening.
Really important topic to discuss.
We have had the most wonderful, incredible week here.
We met so many new people. We learned about different cultures, about traditional games and dances.
We felt like a family here, so I'm really gonna miss this time, and this is a really amazing experience. Thank you for giving me an opportunity.
I want to say a big thank you to every person from this organization for everything.